I graduated the Lauder School, and it was a time that I didn't know where I'm going to go for high school. For high school, yes. All my friends from the Lauder School were applying for different high schools in Warsaw, and I was already becoming more and more religious, more and more observant, learning about kashrus, about learning, reading Hebrew, praying, keeping Shabbos, and I didn't want to go to a public high school. There was no Jewish high school in Poland. The Lauder School was until the third grade of gymnasium, which is ninth grade in the United States. And for the 10th grade, I guess for the high school, I would have to go somewhere else. But since there was no Jewish high school in Poland, and I wanted to learn more about my Judaism, I wanted to be more observant, I came to America. It was a Bobov Yeshiva in Borough Park, a Hasidic Yeshiva.
What is specific, what is different in Bobov Synagogue and Bobov Yeshiva from other?
Very good question. Bobov Hasidic Yeshiva is very different than, other Litvish yeshivas. First of all, because it's Hasidic, so the students, the teachers are Hasidim, with payas, wearing long, rectal, bekesha, different clothing, beards, not the kids, the rabbis. But, me coming from Poland, from Częstochowa, not really seeing Hasidim, in Poland at all, coming to this environment, very exotic environment, it was interesting. But my rabbi actually saw that it wasn't for me. It wasn't for me. After a month or so standing there, he says, I have a place for you, a different place, different yeshiva, regular, normal yeshiva in Baltimore. And so that's where I went to. This yeshiva was for regular boys, clean shaving, but for only boys, no girls. Girls had their own, school, Beis Yaakov, and the boys had there were different kinds of yeshivas. This one called Talmudical Academy of Baltimore, named after Chofetz Chaim from Radin.